The million dollar question everybody, even the CEOs and CIOs, are asking: should we fear the future of artificial intelligence and automation? Currently, automation is predominantly focused on routine, structured, and predictable physical activities, along with the collection and processing of data. These tasks form the basis of many occupations in sectors like manufacturing, professional and business services, food services, retail trade, and even private relationships. But all that is changing. According to the Forbes magazine, about 60% of the occupations have at least 30% of tasks that could be automated. Based on these figures, there is considerable potential for the spread of advanced automation. But what does this mean for us, the workforce? Artificial intelligence will almost certainly change the way we work. We will all have to integrate our jobs with AI and learn how to leverage it. The key to thriving in this new era is to understand and leverage the unique strengths of both humans and machines. We must learn to coexist and collaborate, shaping a future where automation enhances our work rather than replacing it. We must also remember that humans possess a plethora of skills that machines are yet to replicate: creativity, interpersonal relations, emotional range, and complexity, dexterity, and mobility. These are realms where humans continue to dominate. So lean into soft skills, foster them, and learn how to utilize artificial intelligence to get a better result and not only excel in your career but also in your life. AI is here to stay, and only the people who will adapt to it will survive. Thanks for watching and listening.